Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Robinhood Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Robinhood Wallet application, and if you haven't already signed up from your account, you will be asked to enter your PIN or your Face ID. After entering your credentials, you will be logged into your account and taken into your dashboard, from which if you wish to log out from your account, you can tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. After you tap on this icon, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the Remove Wallet option. This is the Logout button, which you can use to log out from your account. However, before you log out from your account, make sure that you have backed up your security phrase so that you can use this later to sign back in. Tap on Backups and Security, and now from this page, you can tap on Secret Recovery Phrase and enter your PIN to see your secret recovery phrase. After seeing your recovery phrase, you can copy this so that you can use it later on to access your account and log back in. After saving this phrase, you can go back to the main menu, and from the menu page, scroll all the way down and tap on Remove Wallet. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove your wallet. Go ahead and tap on Remove Wallet once again, and now you will be logged out from your account on Robinhood Wallet completely. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Robinhood Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.